Hello, my name is Vüsal and I'm 20 years old. I'm currently studying public health at Azerbaijan Medical University. I consider myself a hardworking, responsible and friendly person who enjoys learning and working with people. I have different work experiences that helped me to improve my skills. I worked at McDonald's mainly in the cook section, where I learned how to work efficiently under pressure, stay organized and cooperate with my team members in a fast-paced environment. I also worked as a sales assistant at Collins clothing store, where I developed good communication and customer service skills. In addition, I gained experience as a cashier and sales assistant in a pharmacy, which taught me to be detail-oriented, reliable and accurate when handling payments. I believe these experiences prepared me well for the work and travel program. I want to use this opportunity to meet new people, improve my English, and learn more about American culture. Thank you for watching my video.